Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Betty Boop. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with two circles closer to the bottom. Now inside at the top left, let's draw a pointed V shape like this in both eyes. And then from the bottom, let's curve it down and then curve it up from the top. And then let's color those top sections in black. Next, let's add the eyelashes. On the top, let's draw 4 pointed V-shaped curves like this. Then let's leave a gap and draw one more on the right side. Now let's do the same on the other eye. Next, let's move down and draw 4 bottom lashes in the same way. Now let's color all of the eyelashes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the nose with a small curve in between. And then under the nose, let's add the mouth. Let's draw 2 pointed curves up like this, and then a curve underneath to form the lips. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the bottom left here, and let's draw a curve down and then bring it back into the side of the mouth. Then let's continue it on the other side and then curve it up like this. Next, let's hop up in the center here, and let's draw a point up and back down for the hairline. Then from the bottom right, let's curve it up and then bring it down. And the same thing on the left, we're going to bring it out further, and we're going to stop here, leaving a small gap. Next, inside, let's draw the eyebrows. Above the left eye, let's draw a curve down on an angle like this. And the same thing on the right. Now let's thicken the eyebrows up slightly toward the center. Next, let's add the shape of the hair. From on top of the hairline, let's hop up and let's draw a curve over to the right and down. And the same thing on the left, bringing it in and then curving it up at the end. And now let's curve it back in to the head. Next, let's add the curly pieces to the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve in and back up. Then another one next to it on the left. And then keep going down with 2 more, getting it bigger as we go. And now let's do the right side. Let's start on the top right and add one here. 2 smaller ones going down. And then one more close to the right eye. And now let's add the pieces going outwards. On the bottom right here, let's draw a curly piece going out. And 3 more above it on the right, spacing it out like this. And then let's draw 3 on the top left. Next, let's color all of the hair in black. Let's start with the middle section. And then all of the curly pieces. Lastly, let's add the earrings. In the gap we left on the bottom left, let's draw a circular curve like this, and then one more inside. Now let's do the same thing on the bottom right. And that's it for Betty Boop. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!